How does exercise affect aging? Stay tuned to find out. As we get older, it's natural for our bodies to start to slow down and for various functions to become less efficient. However, regular exercise can help to offset some of these age-related changes and can even help to improve them. One of the main benefits of exercise for aging is that it helps improve cardiovascular health. Regular physical activity can also help to strengthen the heart and improve blood circulation, which can actually help to lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Exercise also helps to improve muscle strength and flexibility, which can help to reduce the risk of falling and other injuries in older adults. Strong muscles and flexible joints can also help to improve balance and coordination, which help to maintain independence as we age. You know, one of my PT professors said it perfectly. When he said, if you think weight training is dangerous, try being weak. In addition to the physical benefits, exercise can also improve cognitive function. Brain exercises don't do much, but physical activity does. Studies have shown that regular physical activity helps to improve memory and thinking skills and even reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's and dementia. But it's not just the physical and cognitive benefits of exercise that help with aging. Regular physical activity can also have a positive effect on mental health, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression and improve overall well-being. So if you're looking to age gracefully and maintain good health as you get older, make sure to include regular exercise as part of your daily routine. Comment below what do you think of this, and just if you're wanting to improve your health, visit Themightymiracleman.com and get your free nutrition guide. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.